Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use data validation in Excel table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to convert this data in table. Simply select the data. Then you can press the shortcut key Ctrl T to convert this data in table. Here you can see the small dialog box is open, create table. The range here automatically selected and click on OK to convert this data in table. I select here the heading and change the font color of this heading. Go to the Home tab. In Font, click on the Font color option and select the color those you want to change. And here you can see the font color is changed. Now, here in the Join Date column, I want to allow only the dates between the 1st Jan 2023 and 31st December 2024. Okay, and in the status column, I want to allow only active or inactive from a drop down list. So let's start how it's applied. First, for the join date, I select the range of cell, go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the first option, data validation. And here you can see the once dialog box is open, data validation. In setting tab, in validation criteria, in allow, just click on this drop down arrow and select the date. Okay. Now mention here the start date. As I mentioned here, the 1st Jan 2023 is the start date. So 01/01/2023. Okay, this is the start date and end date is 31st December 2024. Okay, after that, just click on OK and that's it. Here, data validation is applied. Okay. When I enter the 01/01/2023, and you can see here the date is accepted. Suppose I enter here 01/02/2021. Now I press the enter key and see the error is showing Microsoft Excel. This value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay, so this is the way you can apply the data validation for date. Okay, and in the second column in status, I want to allow only active or inactive from a drop down list. So simply select the cell of range, then go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation. And here you can see the one dialog box open, data validation. Setting validation criteria in allow, click on this drop down arrow and select here the list. Okay. And you just enter here the active and inactive. So I just enter here active, comma, inactive and just click on OK and that's it. Here you can see when you click on the cell and you can see the drop down arrow, active and inactive here showing in drop down list. Okay, so this is the way you can use the data validation for Excel table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.